Hello everyone. The third technique to strengthen the lungs I will introduce you is a food therapy. The food is called silver wood ear, yin er. In English, Pamina falciformis. It is a fungal that has been used in Chinese diet for many years. Silver wood ear has a nature of cool and sweet. It boosting energy of the lungs and the stomach, mostly to moisten the lung and moisten the stomach. Silver wood ear also can boosting the immune system. It has another function is improve the collagens. So this function helps for the skin beauty as well as maintain for the cardiovascular functions. In Chinese culture, silver wood ear mostly is used for health maintenance. We make a soup and we can have it as a breakfast, snack in between two meals, or as an appetizer in a dinner. To make a silver wood ear soup, first ingredient you can have is silver wood ear, 30 grams. You can add about 1,000 ml of water. Soak it for about half an hour. Then bring it into a boil. Simmer it for long time. Normally you use a slow cooker. You can leave in a slow cooker for about 8 to 10 hours. With this length of cooking, the texture will comes out as a jello-like soup. That's what you want. 1 hour before, you can add in dazao. Generally speaking, 5 pieces, 6 pieces, and about 5 minutes before the cooking is done, you can add in about 15 grams of wolfberries. Normally, you put some sugar into this soup. You can use honey. Traditionally, in Chinese culture, we use rock sugar. For silver wood ear or yin er, dazao, Chinese jujube, and wolfberries, as well as rock sugar, you can easily find them at any Chinese grocery store, such as TNT, Lambda, in Calgary. Now, the soup is ready. I'm going to try it. It's very soothing and very tasty. You try and enjoy it. Thank you.